If you want to conveniently hide your piercing, you have to use this type of ball. This one I'm using, this one right here. Okay, so
choke you down just like a pill.
hi guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jumoke of Moke's Crib. If you are new here, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications so you get my videos as soon as I drop them for your eyes only. And if you are a returning subscriber, you fam, I see you. Thank you for stopping by. On this video, I'm going to simply take you through how to hide a septum piercing. For the record, this piercing here is called the septum piercing. Okay, so I have a lot of friends that actually want to get septum piercings, but because they can't face the talks, yeah, let me just put it that way, the talks that comes with it, they just forget about it. And I know a lot of people are out there that probably want to get septum piercing, but you're considering some places you can't go with it. You're wondering, so how will I go about it? And that is why I've made this video, because I learned it the hard way. But this video will help you learn how to hide a septum piercing. If you really like to get one, but you don't want people around you to know, or there are some specific places that you can't go to with your piercings, and blah 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 blah. So basically, I'm just going to show you how I hide my septum piercing. Again, this is the septum piercing, this piercing here. Okay, so originally septum piercing is kind of hard to wear. It's very easy to remove, but you can't wear it as easily as you removed it. That's why you get a piercing and immediately you remove it, especially this one. The stress of putting it back just puts you off and you just want to forget about it. So I can assure you that since I got this piercing, I've removed it only once, and that was good. Wearing it back was like any hard thing you can think about. So I know how stressful it is to remove and fix back septum piercing. So firstly, you're going to make sure your nose ring is the smallest or medium size, and it is ball, not pointed. If you really want to do this, there are different sizes of septum nose ring. There is a small one, there is a medium one, and there's a big one. But this one I'm wearing is the medium size. And then there are two types. There is the ball, that is this one I'm wearing, and there's the arrow. The arrow is like kind of spiky instead of ball like this. So I would advise you, if you want to conveniently hide your piercing, you have to use this type of ball. This one I'm using, this one right here. You want to make sure, like I said, it is a medium size and that can fit into your nose, because we're going to put it into your nose. I'll show you how. It's very simple. So basically, you just make sure your hands are clean. First of all, you don't want to get your piercing infected. Make sure your hands are clean, and you just drag your nose up with one hand, and with this second hand, then you do this. Okay, I'm going to try it again, this time in more explanatory way. And you bring it out. That's how to bring it out. Let's say your hand will be clean. So all you have to do, you can use two hands if you like, but me, because I'm already a master of this, I just do this. Another 1 second and I'm done. And I'll try it again. This is bringing it out. You can use your two hands. Just basically what you're doing is just making it go back inside to hang upwards. Do you get? So yeah, when you do like this, it narrows this bridge and makes it easy for the balls to pass. It makes this bridge slimmer, and then you just push it inside. I hope you're able to try that. I'm going to do it one last time so you see. And that's it. It's inside. So simple. If you are in a school that you can't use your nose ring and you really like it, you can get it because now you know the hack. And then if you need to go to church or some gatherings where you'll be discriminated for your nose ring, you can do this. And sometimes you just, instead of removing it, just do this. I'm going to have to warn you, it's a little bit uncomfortable, but with time you get used to it, because for the first time you feel like there's something stuck in your nose and you want to sneeze it out, but by the time you do it 1, 2, 3 times, you're going to get used to it and you'll be good to go. So that's just it. And then bonus tip, if you have this piercing you want to hide it, how I usually hide my own, because it's also risky to remove because this place is very delicate. What I do is I just apply foundation on it and powder. That's what this video is for, but you can try it. Just apply foundation. Then it's very tiny, so if you have this and you want to hide it too, you can apply foundation. Make sure the foundation is exactly the shade of your skin. You apply foundation generously and blend it very well. You can apply it all over your face, but if you don't want to wear makeup, you don't have to wear makeup just because you want to hide your nose ring. So just apply foundation here, make sure you blend it very well, and if you like, you apply powder. If your foundation is good enough to carry anywhere you want to carry it to, like to no shoe, you can do that too. And if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much for sticking, and I hope this works for you. Love ya. Bye.